Okay, question 4, diagram 4.1 shows the vertebral column of a human, and then name the vertebra in region P and Q. Okay, so here, as you can see, the human vertebrae is actually composed of 33 individuals' bone that interlock with each other, forming the spinal column. And the vertebrae are divided into several regions, as you can see here. We have cervical vertebrae, thoracic vertebrae, lumbar vertebrae, sacrum vertebrae, and also coccyx vertebrae. And sacrum and coccyx is fused, meaning that it is non-movable. But cervical, thoracic, and lumbar are able to move. So here we know that P is the cervical vertebra and Q is the thoracic vertebra. Okay, and then number 2, state one special characteristic of vertebra P, Q, and R. Okay, so P, it having transverse foramen, which is the holes in the transverse processes that give passage to vertebral artery and vein. And then Q, it have a dorsal projection known as spinous processes, and it is directed onwards. While R, it have short and thick processes. Okay, and then B, diagram 4.2 shows the position of the muscle when the arm is bent. Okay, and then state the type of joint that can be found at the elbow and state the characteristic of tissue P. So the type of joint that can be found at the elbow is known as knee joint, allow for flexion and extension of the elbow or our arms. And the characteristic of tissue P here, must be flexible and elastic. Okay, and then C, an athlete has just completed a 400-meter track event. He is experiencing skeletal muscular fatigue in his leg. The athlete then takes a few long deep breaths. Explain why the athlete carries out this action. Okay, so basically when bicep contract, tricep will relax. So bicep contract, tricep will relax. And the tendons will transmit pulling force to radius, which is located here. And the contraction of bicep muscle will pull the radius up and bend the arm at the elbow joint.